Ever wondered if you could change the upload date of a file in Google Drive? At first, it seems impossible because Google Drive automatically sets the upload and modified dates, and there's no direct way to edit them. But don't worry, there's a clever workaround that makes it possible. The main trick is simple. You essentially re-upload the file to make it appear as if it was just added. Start by downloading the file you want to update. Right-click on it and select Download. This saves a fresh copy to your computer, free from the original timestamp. Next, decide what to do with the original file. You can delete it to avoid confusion or move it to a temporary folder if you want a backup. Once that's done, go back to Google Drive and upload the downloaded file. Click New in the top left corner, choose File Upload, and select the file from your computer. Once uploaded, Google Drive treats it as brand new, assigning it the current date as the upload date. This simple method doesn't alter your file's content, it just changes how it appears in your Drive timeline. It's especially useful for organizing projects or highlighting recent documents. And that's it. What seemed impossible is actually just a few clicks away. Try it out and see how easy managing your files can be. If this tip helped you, give it a like and stay tuned for more practical guides.